Dollar CAD. We've got a short here, and what a beautiful move this is. And this brings me to the question that I had from Hassan. So Hassan was saying dollar CAD trade setup into jobs data. Like this video specifically was waiting to touch the trend line around 26.20 to short, but the news scared me. I couldn't take position. Do you think it's still set up short? So, all right, first of all, you don't need to catch the exact top tick anyway, but like, check this out. So I've got VWAP 2022 volume weighted average price on here. That's this orange line. That's where we nailed. And this is a daily chart. Look at where we closed, right? So, I mean, I didn't trade the jobs data either. We waited for it, and then we put an entry to short back near 26, I think 26.15 or something like that, and then stop up here, and lo and behold, it finally started working today. But yeah, you know, I don't necessarily advocate putting on a position right in front of a news event either. You know, sometimes you're in it, and you know what's going to happen is what's going to happen. I mean, that's just the way it works. But like, I do love the setup, and I talked about this last week. I love the setup of having a setup and then having a news event to get that final spike, if you will, into the trade. And also, Hassan was asking, you know, where's the target? You know, well, I don't know, let it run, man. Like, you know, we broke this support, right? Broke it, came back, tested it. Like, this is a downtrend. Just go, you know, roll with it, man. Your first level to test is probably the center line, which was support down here. And that's going to be all the way down near like, you know, 122.90, which is the low from October. So first level to think about is that. Again, you know, everyone's different. You got different time horizons and all that stuff. But like, you break that, and then it's really off to the races. And oh, by the way, scroll out. Oh, we could have a huge double top, like a gigantic, stupid double top. So, you know, let it do its thing. All right, so that's dollar CAD. Obviously, dollar CAD probably looking the best out of all of these commodity currencies. You know, Aussie and Kiwi like them upside over the next couple of days, and then we'll see because we got big levels. Dollar CAD, that to me is a solid downtrend, and just kind of ride it and see what happens. Don't forget, we've got, if you go to Twitter, my Twitter page is at Jamie Saettele, just my name, but I've got the link on there to our prop trading program, scandinavianmarkets.com/getfunded. And again, check that out. Okay, this is going to be, you know, we've had, excuse me, we've had, you know, a lot of questions here. We've, you know, kind of revamped the program. So come check it out. You can read all about it. Essentially, you know, you can get funded with up to $2 million. You can get funded with far less, of course. There's an assessment fee. Once you pass that, you do get funded. There's no time constraints or time limits like other programs in which you have to make a certain amount of time. Trading does not work like that, right? Everyone's different. There are drawdown limits, of course, and there are targets that you do need to hit, but you don't have to hit it within a certain amount of time. Okay, if it takes you 6 months, fine. It takes you a year, fine. If it takes you a month, great, right? But there is no time limit like other programs have. So come check that out.